Hi Sunraes, it's Serena Rae, and in today's video I am taking you to Wilderness Lodge's Cascade Cabins. In this video we are going to do a tour of the cabin. I'm going to show you the amenities of the cabin and tell you if you should stay here or not. Now, if you are new to my channel, please make sure you are hitting that like button on the way in, as well as the subscribe button, because those are two free ways you can support the channel. So without further ado, let's go inside and take a tour of these cabins. All right, the first room I'm gonna take you guys inside is the room on our right. In this room sleeps 3 people. Let's go. In this room, you have a queen size bed, and you also have a little pull-out bed that is right under the TV. So I love the size of the bed. I love that you have a nice window to look out of. And this, honestly, this isn't bad. This is like a twin. And it's so cute that you got Chip and Dale sleeping right next to you under the TV. I love it. Look how cute they are. One thing that I do love is this seating area right next to the window, and you can see people walking past, and you have extra storage right underneath. So oh, that's down, but you can place clothes or souvenirs or shoes right underneath. They also have the bed raised. So you remember when we were at Animal Kingdom Lodge? Yeah, we can put suitcases underneath. And let's look in here. This pulls out. Yep. It's a cool pull-out drawer. And of course, which is standard at the Walt Disney World resorts, are the plugs with the USB ports. Also, like Animal Kingdom Lodge, you can see the little lamp that is inside the headboard. I love that. And look at that closet. Let's go look inside the closet more. Now they keep the extra pillow and blanket in here. I love how much space it has. And I love that it has drawers that pull out. And this closet actually reminds me of Polynesian's closet. I just need the robes. I don't see any robes in here. Wait. I love the barn doors. And that's it for room number 1. Let's move on to room number 2. Now room number 2 is gonna be on our left, and this room sleeps 2. And here is room number 2. Again, it has a wonderful headboard, and you can see in here, look at that. They have the lights in the headboard. I love it. Uh-oh, they don't turn off. Oh, okay. Anyways, you see the lights in the headboard. You also have a TV. You have a closet, which we're gonna open up, and you have this nice dresser slash desk, which is amazing. Let's see. I love the space. I love the space. Let's go over here. See what the closet looks like. Now look at this closet. Look at all the space. I feel like that shelf, you can put shoes there because it has like a surface. Oh, it's actually like, that's metal. Okay. That's metal. So I feel like shoes will go perfectly there. Again, another barn door. And oh my gosh, look at that tub. Let's go inside the master bathroom. Ooh, this is nice. Okay. First of all, TV in the mirror. I love it. Have the TV in the mirror. You also also have 2 sinks in here, and like I stated in the Animal Kingdom Lodge video, you have the small minis of the H2O because it is a deluxe resort. And oh my goodness, look how nice. Look how nice this tub is. Yes. I want to stay in the cabins. I love it. And look at the shower. I love this shower. I always love showers that, for one, have a seat. 2, have like pretty like tile or pebble like flooring. One of my faves. But look how pretty the shower is. Look how massive it is. And then the tub. If you want to play with bath bombs from Basic, ooh, that was loud. You can. And if you want to take a bath and watch TV, you can. Or shower and watch TV, you can. Or if you want to use the potty and watch TV, you can. Hold on, wait, can you? Yes, you can. It is possible in the cabin. I like it. I want, you'd obviously have to turn the lights off so you can see it better. But that's so cool. I like that. I love it a lot. All right, now let's move on to the living room. And away we go. Okay, so before I even go to the living room, let's go inside the other restroom and highlight that, because you have to know all the bathrooms, what the other guests will use. So they have a toilet and sink all together in here, so someone can take a shower in peace while others can use the restroom. And it's another walk-in shower, which I love. I love this a lot. So another walk-in shower. Whew. More toiletries, of course, as you can see. More minis. You have even more storage. So let me see, more storage. Now, once you leave out of the area that houses the shower, you have a door right here which hides the washer and dryer unit in here. And this has to be the extra storage area where yeah, they keep the ironing board, and you can put extra things. As you can see, you can put so many things in here as well. So it's a lot of storage, perfect for a big family or traveling party. So now it is time to go inside the living room and show you where even more people can sleep. The couch in here actually pulls out, and then it can fit up to 3 additional people according to my tour guide. And look at the kitchen, and I love the little subtle touch of hidden Mickeys. You can see this fireplace is shared with not only the living room, but it's shared with the patio outside. So it's one of my favorite features inside this cabin. And of course, this is a DVC resort, and this is a DVC cabin. So you have a microwave, stove, refrigerator, sink, dishwasher, and the whole 9 yards. So you can feel at home. Here is the patio. It is beyond peaceful, and I love that it is screened off. There is also a jacuzzi which is so nice. Something nice for you to come outside and just sit in and relax and look at the beautiful scenery. And remember when I told you about the fireplace? This is the part of the patio which shares the other part of the fireplace. Right here. And it has 2 seats for you to sit down and relax. And I love that the master bedroom has access to the patio. So you don't have to walk through the living room. You could just come right out here and sit by the fire. All right, Sunraes, this is the end of our tour. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment down below your favorite part of this tour. My favorite part is the fireplace and the view. The view outside is my absolute favorite, for sure. So make sure you hit that like button on the way in, as well as the subscribe button, because those are 2 free ways you can support the channel. And without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys go, and I will see you on the next adventure. Bye, Sunraes.
Thank you.